Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys my hair cutting routine and how I trim my split ends. So firstly, we need to ensure that we're using actual hair cutting scissors that are sharp enough to trim our hair and will help to prevent further damage. I like to start out on stretched and dry hair achieved from my braid out. All I do is to detangle my hair using my Tangle Teezer, which helps me to achieve that stretched blown out look and in turn makes it easier to trim my hair. I also ensure that I have my rubber bands to section my hair before I trim. Trimming in sections allow you to better focus on your hair and to do more accurate trims. So here you can see me creating an even smaller section, and this is the section that I will actually be trimming. Trimming in small sections allow you to be more accurate and to better trim your split ends. I'm also using my detangling brush to further detangle my hair and to get rid of any unnecessary knots. Right here, I'm just running my fingers from the roots of my hair to the end of my strands to assess the quality of my hair strands. Usually the ends of my hair will feel more rough, and this is where the split ends are located. So I will get my scissors and I will cut about an inch or half an inch of my hair to get rid of the split ends. After I've completed trimming that section of hair, I'll put it into a 2-strand twist just to let me know that I've already done that section. So here I'm just repeating the process again. I'm grabbing a small section of my hair and I'm going to start by detangling my hair to remove any knots and tangles. I also ensure to run my fingers from the roots of my hair down to the ends of my hair to assess any damage. Usually the normal hair shafts will feel very smooth and the ends of my hair will feel more rough in comparison because that's where is the oldest and most damaged. Not all rough hair means damaged hair. That's why you want to ensure that you're truly assessing the ends of your hair to ensure that they're actually split ends or damaged hair there before cutting. After I've finished going through all of those steps, I can begin to twist my hair as I've finished that section. I try to ensure that I'm repeating this process for each and every section. Some sections may require you to cut less hair than others because it might be less damaged. That is okay for me because I'm not as interested in shaping my hair. So after you finish cutting your hair will look more blunt, but you should also feel a difference. Your hair should feel a lot smoother to comb out, and you should also be seeing less split ends. Some sections, as I said, may feel more rough than others, so that's why we have to make sure that we're doing our regular checks, going through all the necessary steps. And if after going through a second times and feeling the ends of our hair, we think that it may feel more rough or we see more split ends, all we need to do is to simply cut again, just to more accurately cut our split ends. So this is what I do for the entirety of my hair, and this is how I trim my hair to get rid of split ends. I like to trim my hair at least every 3 months just to make sure that I'm getting rid of all of the split ends and the damaged hair. Some people like to trim their hair every month, but I think it depends on you, it depends on your lifestyle, it depends on how damaged your hair looks. So if your hair looks damaged by the end of each and every month, then yes, you might want to consider trimming. But at the end of the day, if my hair was getting that damaged every single month, then I would reconsider my entire hair care routine just to ensure that I'm not doing something that is damaging my hair quickly. Ultimately, trimming your split ends helps to contribute to your hair maintenance. It also helps to contribute to your healthy hair growth because if you have split ends, then it will just keep splitting and damaging your hair. You won't be able to retain as much length as you could. And so, even though it may feel daunting that you're cutting off a certain length of your hair, just imagine that you're actually making an investment towards healthier hair and longer hair. Because if you hold on to those dead split ends, then it will just compromise all the healthy hair growth, and your hair will be unable to grow as long and as healthy as it could. I don't think hair trims are spoken about as much within the black community, which is probably one of the reasons why some of us struggle with growing our hair. I've only recently discovered that when I trim my hair actually grows longer and much healthier, which is actually surprising to me because how is it that I trim my hair to get longer hair? So I think this may be one of the secrets or something that black people just don't know as much about. But if we were to do it a lot more and to get healthy hair trims, it would support our healthy hair growth. Once you've done your first hair trim, it does become easier to do more hair trims as time goes on. If you're too afraid of getting a hair trim or you don't want to lose a lot of length, you can simply start by trimming off, say, half an inch or even an inch, like me. This will allow you to get used to the process of trimming your hair without trimming too much or losing too much hair. So, of course, trimming your hair isn't the only way of maintaining healthy hair. You also need to make sure that you are doing regular hair masks, that you have your hair in protective styles, that you're protecting your hair before you go to sleep, also that you are moisturizing your hair, etc. There's a lot of things that goes into a healthy hair, and trimming your hair is just one aspect of it. And sometimes the more you take care of your hair, the healthier your hair is, the less you'll need to do hair trims because your hair isn't as damaged anymore, so there won't be as many split ends to cut off or damaged hair to cut off. So basically, make sure that you're actively contributing to preventing split ends by taking care of your natural hair. So now that I'm finishing the last section of my hair, you guys can see that I've pretty much styled my hair for the week. I have my hair in small twists that I can wear for a week or two. So using this method of trimming your hair allows you to achieve not only the hair trim and to trim your split ends, but also to achieve a protective style that you can wear for a couple weeks and that you'll no longer have to touch or manipulate your hair. So I can style it in two or do whatever I want, but ultimately I've achieved my goal of trimming my hair. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed and learned something, and I hope to see you in the next one. Deuces!